Ah, this is what happened. Oh my God. What the hell kind of, Jesus Christ, what the hell kind of microwave is this? I just got it off of Amazon. Comfy. Wow. That's messed up. That's messed up. Look, it all melted. And all I was doing was a cardboard box. Yeah, it's cardboard. There's no metal. It had mac and cheese in it. No metal. The other came from, the ashes came from this. When I was trying to do some ribs.
Received my microwave yesterday. Here are all the buttons. Here's the inside. Very small and compact. I'm not sure why this is the color it is, but I'm gonna look into that. Has a little instructions right here. Oh, yeah.
Just came. He just came. Like these. All these. I'll even just...
Our built-in microwave stopped working, so before we get a new one, in the meantime, I bought this one off Amazon. It's been great so far. It does the job. You know, all of the basic functions of a microwave. Only downside is, you know, after you warm something up, you want to open the door right away. You actually have to unlock the door right here, press that button before you're allowed to open the door. It's not a big deal, just
Nice.